welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use ChatGPT without sharing personal data. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use ChatGPT without sharing your personal data, all you gotta do is simply go to ChatGPT. So if you want to use ChatGPT with minimal personal data sharing, you need to disable your data uses for training in settings. You can use temporary chats. You can use like sensitive chat features, like you can simply use a temporary account for it, and you can avoid inputting personal info like SSNs and medical details, and turn off personalization feature like memory. So for sign up, you can also use an anonymous email and consider a temporary phone number to avoid linking your identity. But remember that even with settings off, some metadata might be processed. So by this way, you can simply use ChatGPT without sharing your personal detail. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.